हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम राजेंद्र जटाना, आपका दोस्त. आई एम ब्रिंगिंग अप trick on type of linear equations without using trigonometry, geometry. Second one is trick to know the graph of lines is okay or not. So whatever the graph you are making by the graphical method, whether it is okay or not, that we will be knowing it without doing any graph. Without making any graph, you will come to know whether the graph made by you is okay or not okay. These tricks are there which will help you in identifying whether you have made the correct graph or not. Thank you very much. God bless you. Hello friends, I am coming up with 3 tricks and you will come to know the which type of pair of linear equations without using geometry. Now look here, these are two equations. This is pair of linear equations in two variables. What you have to do, you have to find out a1 over a2, b1 over b2 and c1 over c2. b1 over b2, c1 over c2. If a1 over a2 is not equal to b1 over b2, then they will be intersecting lines and there will be a unique solution. देखिए काट दिया गया है, काटने वाली लाइनें बनेंगी. Now next case is a1 over a2 is equal to b1 over b2 is not equal to c1 over c2. अब देखिए ये कौन सी लाइनें हैं? पैरेलल. These are parallel lines. काटने वाले का निशान इंटरसेक्टिंग के लिए, पैरेलल का निशान पैरेलल वाला ही है. थर्ड केस, when a1 over a2 is equal to b1 over b2 is equal to c1 over c2, then everything is equal. So there will be one line, that is coincident lines will be there. So many solutions are there. In this case, when there is parallel lines, there is no solution. When they are intersecting at one point, there is a one solution. Now let us go to some examples. Now look here, we will be identify which of the following are intersecting, parallel or coincident lines without doing any graphical job. Now look here, 2 over 5, 3 over 7, they are not equal. We are intersecting them. इसको काट दीजिए, equal to का साइन काट दीजिए, they are not equal. So cut it. So it will become intersecting line. Second question. Example is there, 3x plus 2y plus 8. It is 6x plus 4y plus 15. Look here, 3 over 6 is equal to 2 over 4. But it is not equal to 8 over 15. So they will be parallel lines. Next, 2 over 10, 3 over 15, 5 over 25. Oh, everything is equal. They are coincident lines. So without drawing the graph, you are knowing it, what type of equations are given to you. And this will help you. When you make the graph, you will come to know whether in advance that whether you are going to get the intersecting lines, parallel lines or coincident lines. So here let us go to 4, example number 4. 5 by 10, 6 by 12 and plus 11 over minus 22. So these two are equal and this is not equal. So parallel lines. 2 over 6, 1 by 3 आ गया, 721, 1 by 3 आ गया, 9 by 27, 1 over 3. सब चीज़ equal है, 1 by 3 के equal है, they are coincident lines. Next, 8 over 16, 1 by 2, 7 over 14, 1 by 2, but this is not equal, parallel lines are there. Now let us go to next one. One more trick is there. Now whenever this trick is for verification whether the graphical solution given by you is okay or not. क्या आपने ग्राफ ठीक बनाया है या नहीं बनाया है, 1 मिनट में पता लग जाएगा। राइट द इक्वेशन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ y इक्वल टू mx प्लस सी। जो भी आपको इक्वेशन दे रखी हो, 2 इक्वेशन दे रखी होंगी, आपने y की वैल्यू निकाल लेनी है। y इज इक्वल टू वट एवर कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x इज देयर, टेक इट एज m and remaining is the constant. So if m is positive, the graph of the line will be like this. It will be going upwards. If m is negative, the graph of the line will be like this. So 1 मिनट में आपको पता लग जाएगा कि जो ग्राफ आपने बनाया है वो ठीक बनाया है या नहीं बनाया है, सिर्फ y की वैल्यू से पता लग जाएगा। कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x will tell the whole story. So this way we will be able to know whether they are right graph or not. After this, I'll be coming up with some examples on all the 4 methods. Thank you very much. God bless you.